Good dog. Yeah.
I've had it, Steve.
Yeah, let's. Do you want to swing around or just go back down the road?
I'm just going to go right straight now.
Okay, we'll hunt the other side of the road. I think Jacqueline's on point. Jacqueline's on point over here. Get him, Jacqueline, get him! Good dog. Hey. Good dog. Fetch. No chew. No. Stay. Good dog. Give.